Welcome to GC Ready Technologies. Programming languages versus scripting languages. See, technically, these two are same, but functionality point of view, there is a huge difference. Scripting language, generally, scripting languages are programming languages, but difference is programming languages, formal languages, they are for development. They can be used for developing anything from scratch. Scripting languages, lightweight languages, they are used to perform tasks, system administration, network administration, data extraction, like tasks automation. But programming languages for developing anything from scratch. Say programming languages, get some idea. Say oldest language in our IT industry, still in life, Fortran. Nearly 64 years old, Fortran language. Next, COBOL, nearly 62 years old. C language, 49 years old. C++, 36 years old. Next, Java, VB, C#, etc. These are the important programming languages. .NET is not a programming language. .NET, that is a technology. It has nearly 26 to 30 components. VB.NET, VC++.NET, VC++ also programming language. General VC++, Visual C++, VB.NET, ASP.NET, C#.NET, VC++.NET. See, .NET is suite of technologies. See, in order to provide common runtime for different languages, Microsoft developed .NET suite. Okay. Fortran, COBOL, C++, VC++, Java, VB, C#, etc. are the important programming languages. These languages for developing software applications. They can be used for developing anything from scratch. Next, scripting languages for performing lightweight tasks, system administration, network administration, data extraction, etc. And one more thing, in our software testing, automated testing is there, or test automation. For test automation, both can be used. Both programming languages and scripting languages can be used for our test automation. For example, UFT, formerly QTP, supports VBScript, Visual Based Scripting Edition. VBScript is scripting language, lightweight language. Suppose Selenium supports Java, programming language. Next, C# programming language. Python, scripting language. Ruby, scripting language. JavaScript, scripting language. Like, say for our test automation or automated testing, programming languages and scripting languages both are used. Scripting languages, old one, shell scripting, bash shell, like Unix shell scripting, Windows shell also there. Next, Perl. Say, in order to overcome the shell scripting, Perl script was launched. Perl for file operations, Perl is used. Okay, Perl. Next, Python. Next, JavaScript, single word. Next, VBScript. Next, PHP, hypertext preprocessor. Next, Ruby, Groovy, PHP, JavaScript, VBScript, Ruby, Groovy, etc. Next, difference between programming language and scripting language. I already told. Programming languages are formal languages, scripting languages are lightweight languages. For programming, we use programming languages for software development from scratch, but scripting languages only for performing some tasks. Okay. Next, 3 steps in programming languages. Say, in case of programming languages, we have 3 steps. Writing programs in an editor required for writing programs. Writing programs. Next, compiling programs, compiling machine level language into not machine level, compiling high level language into machine level language. Say we use if, for, do, etc. English words for writing our programs. We need to computer can't understand the English language. English language is high level language for the computers. So compilation required. Compiling the high level language into machine level language, binary language. Then computer understand our code. Say, first step, writing programs in an editor. Second step, compiling programs using compiler. Next, third step, running programs. Run or execute, both are synonyms. Next, in case of scripting languages, only 2 steps. Programming languages are compiler-based languages. Scripting languages are interpreter-based languages. In case of scripting languages, we have 2 steps only. Writing programs, next running programs. While running, they automatically compile and run. Interpreter-based languages, lightweight languages. This is the this is the difference between programming language and scripting languages. Thank you.